So this idea of worshipping Varsana Shila, seems to be pretty popular, but I have not found it anywhere described in any of our Goswami literatures. It's not in Chaitanya Charitamrita or Chaitanya Bhagavat or the Bhagavatam. So, as I mentioned, everything should be Guru, Shastra, Sadhu. Whatever we do, our way of bhajan, our way of sadhana, and the goal that we're trying to achieve and the sadhya, it should all be according to Guru, Shastra, and Sadhu. Well, many devotees, they act independently because that's our nature. Bhagavan is Swatantra. He is absolutely unlimitedly Swatantra, which means independent and being a very minute, insignificant particle of Bhagavan. We have the tendency to be independent to a lesser or greater degree. So although one may have Guru, Diksha Guru, and he independently or whimsically or in his excitement or ecstatic mood, he starts worshipping this or that. But the question is, has the Guru given you this way of puja? Has the Guru given you this Shila to worship with his Upadesh, with his instructions? Lord Chaitanya, with his own loving hand, he gave his own Gauranga Shila to Das Goswami. I said, you worship this. Bathe him and offer some sweetness and Tulsi Manjaris. Very simple way. So the Shila was given by the Guru, and the instructions of puja were given by the Guru. This is the example of Gaudiya Vaishnavism by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. And then he instructed the 6 Rupa and Sanatan, said, you go to Vrindavan and discover these lost deities, and you establish the archana and puja of these deities according to all the vidhi of Shruti and Pancharatras, and then this will be a good seva for you. So Rupa and Sanatan, under the order of Lord Chaitanya and direction, they did that and established Madana Mohan, Govindaji, and other Thakurjis were manifested here. So this is the proper way. So my answer about worshipping Varsana Shila is I personally don't do that. I've never read anywhere in Shastra that this is correct and proper. So I would say it's not a good idea. If you asked your Guru, and your Guru has given you full sanction and blessings to worship Varsana Shila, then you follow your Guru. So you might humbly ask him, where is the praman or proof of this worship in Shastra?